Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another haul. If you saw my vlog, I showed you guys that I went into TJMaxx when I was in the city. I went with my sister just to see what they had, like their holiday stuff, and it was a madhouse. TJMaxx was a madhouse. HomeGoods was a madhouse. All the Christmas stuff is out. Everybody is shopping. So I did pick up a couple of things, not really anything that I was really looking for, but I am happy with the stuff that I got. So this is my first bag. So I picked up this Eco Tools Glow Bouquet, it's called. Best with powder highlight for a radiant shimmer. So it looks like that, and it's got like a weird angle. So that's how it looks, and it's got like that curve. So for highlight, even contouring, putting powder, I think this is going to be really good, and it's super soft. I love the metal. I like the fact that it can stand on its own. So this is the first thing I got, and it was $3.99, so I'm excited for this. And then I picked up this mug, and it's got this girl, let me see if I can, might not be able to see her. I'll put a close-up of it later. It's just a girl. She's got her little Frenchie dog, and in the back it says Paris Cafe. It's got the Eiffel Tower, and then on the handle it says Paris is always a good idea. So this was $3.99. And I've been looking for something like this, but I've seen this style. So it's got like the lid and stuff, and everyone has been hauling them. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh, let me pick it up because I do like how it looks. And I always like when I was blonde, I liked the mugs that were blonde. The girls were blonde. Now that my hair is black again, I prefer them to have black hair. So there was this one, and then there was a redhead girl. She was like under the umbrella, but I was like, nah. So I picked this up, and I love mugs because I love coffee. So I'm thinking I can just, you know, add one of those lids to it and take it on the go, have it for work. Even if I put it on my desk with like some pencils and stuff in it, I think that's gonna look cute. So this is the only thing that I picked up from the mugs. Then I found these. So these are like reusable. They've got this girl. There's two girls in it. So I got this, and my sister got it. It was $2.99, and it brings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cups. And it's just these two girls. There's a blonde and a brunette, and they're having coffee. So you can, I don't think you can reuse this, but it brings the lid, and then it brings a little case for in case it's hot. So I thought this would be good for days where I'm on the run. Sometimes I come home with my thermos or my coffee mugs or whatever, and I put it in the sink, and you know, my son does the dishes. Sometimes it looks a little not so clean, so I'm always like, I'll just pick something up on the way. But with this, I can make my coffee and take it. So I thought they were really pretty, especially for the holidays. Even if you're just, you know, meeting up with friends or whatever, and you come in with your little cup, they're going to be like, "Those are cute cup. Where'd you get that?" I bought it. So they're 16-ounce travel mugs with lids and sleeves, 8 holiday travel cups. And they were $2.99. So I thought they were so cute. They had different styles, but I like this one with the girls. So, and I think because mentally that's what I was on the hunt for, was the mug with the girls and stuff that I didn't find. So that's all I found at TJMaxx. So I know that a lot of people were saying that they found those mugs at HomeGoods or TJMaxx or Marshalls. I went to the TJMaxx, didn't find it. We walked into Marshalls, and that place was a madhouse. I went through the mugs. I didn't really see anything that caught my attention. Nothing that I was looking for. And then I walked over to like the pillows and stuff, and they were all over the floor. So I was like, let's go. I don't know. No. So, oh, and then I have some stuff from Target. So I just picked up these cotton rounds. I love the big ones for when I'm toning my face or when I'm removing makeup. So I have one in my drawer here. I did film a room tour. I don't know if it's gonna go up before this, but if it does, you know that over here I have like my skincare. So I picked one up to put in the bathroom and then one to keep here. And then I picked up these two palettes. So I've been watching like Juicy Jazz and a few other people that have been talking about these Profusion palettes. So when I went, I was like, you know, they're so beautiful, but I was like, meh. But when I saw the price, they were $9.99. I was like, you know what? Let me get it. So I got the Confidence palette and bring this like sticky thing. So I guess you can't really swatch them in store, which is nice. It doesn't have the name on it, but it's just like tape. And it does bring a brush, which actually feels really nice. This is the first one, and these colors are so beautiful. When I saw these, I was like, wow, because they've got some mattes, they've got some shimmers, they've got like warm tones, they've got this beautiful green here that I was like, yes, let me try this out. So I picked this one up, and then there was another one, I don't remember what it was called, it was more purpley, but I was like, you know what, I don't know. So I got this one, which is the Infatuation. This one is more of, let me open this. So this one is more of like purpley cranberry colors. You can do a lot of beautiful looks with it. It's got also like some nudes in the front. I will be adding a picture so that you can get a better look of it. But for $9.99, I've been hearing really great things about these, so I wanted to pick them up. They're 21 shadows and brush. So the brushes look really good. So if you want to see a look using this, let me know and I'll do that. So let me know and then I'll do that. Those are the only two things. So I'm excited for those palettes because I've been on like this palette kick, and I don't know, for the holidays, and now that we're going into fall, you can do smokier looks, purpley looks, cranberry looks. I'm excited. Then I went to Burlington, and the guy that was there wrapped my stuff like if I was going overseas or something. I showed you guys in the video I tried to film, but my battery did die, so I don't know if you got to see this. So this is the first thing, and it looks like this. And I just thought this was so beautiful. You can put a candle in it and, you know, it's going to look beautiful. Or you can just leave it as is and have it like as just decoration. I think I am going to put a candle in it. I don't know. I think I am going to put a candle. I was just going to put like one of those fake ones just to have the light flicker, but I think I am going to put a nice one in it. It has the feet, which is nice. This was $6.99. They had different sizes, but I was like, you know, this one actually could work for me. So I got two of these. And that's them side by side. So I think I'm going to put this in the living room on either end of the sofa, or I have this like this little thin table. I might put it next, I don't know, but I loved how it looks and I was like, I need this. What is this? And then I picked up this Dove beauty cream that I can keep like in my bag in case my skin starts to like peel. I can just dab it on and then put some powder because my nose isn't peeling. My skin has been feeling super dry. But yeah, so I got two of these and I just think they look beautiful. Like they sparkle. Unbelievable. So that's that. And then I got, what is this? Then I found this mug. And I had seen What did I see? I don't remember who I saw, but someone had shown this, and I was like, yes, I need this. And so the eyelids say work it girl, so it says work it girl, and it's on both sides, and then the inside is just red. So this one was $3.99, and I think it's just a beautiful mug. And I've been on like a mug kick, because mugs that have like makeup, lips, eyes, whatever. So I got this one. When I first walked in, I saw this one, and it says but first coffee, and it has this girl. She looks like she's got her hair blown in the wind. She's got some hoops on. She's got her coffee in her hand, and she's just like, you know, that first sip that just touches your soul kind of a look. That one. So this one was $5.99, and I like the fact that it has this lid, because let's see. Yeah, so I can switch it out and put it on this one, which makes me wonder if this brang a lid. But anyways, so that's how it looks, and I thought it was so beautiful. So I got those 3 mugs, and then I went looking through the aisle of clothing, and well, before the clothing, I went into Burlington for one frame, Millie, one frame. And I came out with this frame, and looks like that. And it was $6.99. It's 4x6, and I love the details that it has, because this next to those candle holders and like a nice what do you call those plants that come out in the Christmas time, those red ones, that I think it would look so beautiful. And then I printed out this picture, right? And this is my grandmother. So my dad has no pictures of my grandmother. And I was telling my aunt if she could, because she has this picture on her wall. And I was telling her, you know, can you send me the picture? I want to print it out for Poppy and whatever. So I printed it out like this. So this one is 4x6. This one is 4x4, and I don't know what this is, but I wanted to put one of these in the frame. So I was looking for something kind of masculine for my dad, but then I was like, you know what, it's a picture of your mom, like you don't want a manly frame. So I got that one, but then I started walking and I saw this one, and this one was also $6.99, and it's 4x6. So it's got like a mirrored and like crushed diamonds around it. And so I'm not sure which one I'm gonna give my dad, which one I'm gonna put the picture into, but I found these 2 frames, and I was like, if I put one in and then the other one I can just put a picture of like a quote that I like, or maybe a picture of my son and my husband, put it back here somewhere, or you know, I don't know. So I got these 2. And then I got promoted at work again, and I'm going to be moving to another branch. So I was looking at the planners, and my boss was ordering planners on Staples, and they were just like basic, like black flat planners. And I was like, don't order me one. I'm going to get my own. So I found this one, and this one says hustle for the pretty things. So it looks like this, and it's got sunglasses, which you know I love my sunglasses. It's got lips, it's got coffee, another pair of sunglasses, another coffee cup, lip gloss, nail polish, and it's just so pretty. So it's got the gold rim. Then on the inside it has more of the same, and then it's just like a planner, but it's got like the big lines so that you can write out what you have to do throughout the day. I have to do a lot of training now, so I want to keep track of the stuff that I have, and you know, my logins and passwords and stuff, you know. So I'm gonna use this one. And this one was only $5.99. I think the one that my boss was gonna get was like $12, and I was like, So yeah, I'm excited and I can't wait to use it. So I got that. And then I went through the clothing section, and usually the guy gives me the hangers. This guy was like, no, you can't have it. So I got this top. This was on clearance for $6.99, and it's just like a snake skin top. It's got this, you can cinch the sleeves, and then it's got like a cinching on the side, so if you don't want to tuck in your shirt, it still looks like it's put together. I got this in a XXL. It looks kind of small for a XXL, but it fit fine, so that's how it looks. It's got the 2 pockets. It's got gold buttons. So for the new position, I have to get even dressier, so I figured let me start picking up a couple of things. I love this color nude. So I got that. Oh, and then I got oh man. Then I got these Nivea 3-in-1 Gen 2 cleansing wipes. These are so good. They look like that. They remove waterproof makeup. They're so soft. They don't have like any roughness, so it feels like you're rubbing a cotton swab. That's how soft they are. And these were $4.99. It brings 40 wipes. Then I picked up this top, and I wasn't too sure about this top because it's a little loud. It's the same concept as that. It's got the cinch sleeve. It's a button down, 2 pockets. I tried it on open, and I tried it on close. So this one was on clearance for $9.99. But this is like a navy blue kind of a color, and I don't have that much navy blue stuff. I got a pair of slacks navy blue. I don't really wear it because I don't have like navy blue shoes and stuff like that. So I figured let me pick it up. I've seen a lot of people with these kind of patterns. So yeah, I think it's gonna look nice, and it's thick, so I don't have to put anything under it. I don't need like a camisole or nothing where it's gonna be see-through. And then I got this blue one, and I love this blue. So it's like a cobalt blue, looks like that. It's got this little gold bar here. So let's see, like a gold bar keyhole. It's also got the cinch sleeves. So I thought these would be nice with a blazer. I could wear it with a camisole, a cardigan, my dress pants, and still look, you know, professional enough. So, and if I want to wear it on my days off, I can wear it because I can do it with both. So, oh wait, how much was this? This one was $12.99. So I thought they were great deals. I did see a lot of the Christmas stuff. I didn't pick any of the Christmas stuff up because I just wanted to see what they had and get a couple of ideas. So this is everything I picked up, right? Yeah, that's everything I picked up. I hope you guys enjoy this small haul. I have a mess here. So that's everything I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul. If you're new here, I would love you to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, I have my giveaway going on. There's 2. One is a Christmas gift and one is a 900 subscriber giveaway. Ends December 1st. You must be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on my social media. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.